Hi, Kumar here, and now we're going to be going over the strategy 2 short trade overview. So now with the short setup, we are looking for an ABCD formation up move. Remember, we're going against the ABCD move. So if it's an up move, we're going to be taking a short. We want to go against the CD move. This is a reversal play, so we want to make sure it's an ABCD formation, which is an up move. The short entry will be entering immediately at point D for a short. And the short stop loss is above the high of the nearest pivot high. Remember, it cannot be too close, it cannot be too far. So you've got to be looking at a reasonable distance away from entry. So keep looking back to the left where you see a pivot high that is the right distance away. What I mean about the right distance is there's going to be either a far too close pivot, which is maybe the first pivot you meet on the left will be far too close, or there'll be one that is just way too far up. So there should be a pivot high that is in between and that isn't too far. Remember, we don't want to risk too much on these individual trades. Now with the short trade management, we're going to be moving the stop to break even, which is the entry price when your profit in the trade equals the risk you put on in the trade. So when you're in profit, the same number of pips you've risked on the trade. And after your break-even price has been hit, you're going to trail the whole position at each pivot high formed. And you're going to just wait to get stopped out whenever the stop that you've put above whichever pivot high has been hit. So that's a short trade overview. Now let's take a look at the strategy 2 trading rules. I'm going to cover that in the next video, and it's very important that you watch that video because there are some trading rules that are very, very important that you've got to watch out for so you are trading strategy 2 in the right way. This is Kumar for Trade to Success University. Please go on to the next page to continue with the training.